Howdy folks, this is Jim. I live in Texas, but today I'm at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida as part of the NASA Social Group coverage of the upcoming CRS-2 Commercial Resupply Mission number 2, launching from here tomorrow on the 1st of March 2013 and taking a load of supplies up to the space station, and just as important, taking a load of supplies back down. This morning we've just completed a tour of the vehicle assembly building. You see it over there behind me. There's a lot going on in there. They're in the process of removing the last bits of strictly shuttle support stuff. They're rearranging the platforms and machinery in there to support the SLS system that NASA plans to launch in a few years, and also trying to configure it so other customers can use it easily. They're hoping anyway that it won't just be NASA using this, that other commercial customers will want to take advantage of this facility also. To me, the most interesting part of the tour was we had a gentleman from the crawler team speak to us. He was very knowledgeable. I guess he's worked on the crawlers for 12 years. They are overhauling 2 of the crawlers. The one we looked at, which I said, that should be in a Transformers movie, and he said, oh, it's already been in one, so I've got to figure out which one that is. Seeing it up close is super impressive for something built in 1960. They are pretty much refurbing the whole thing. Their plans to use the crawler to take the SLS system from the building here out to the launch pad, which is a couple of miles down that way. They need to increase the load capacity of the crawler by 50%, which kind of boggled my mind. They put new engines in it. It uses 2 diesel electric 4,000 horsepower motors to drive it and to operate it. There's 2 people in the operator's cab, and I didn't know this, there's a control room with 2 engineers in it. And as you can see when you've seen the pictures of the shuttle launches, there's a team of people with walkie-talkies walking around it. It's a very complicated machine. They discussed that they looked at a lot of alternatives once the shuttle program started winding down for future programs. They looked at railroads and barges and rubber-tired vehicles, and they just decided that the guys in 1960 who came up with the crawler, that was the best idea. So they're in the process of overhauling the crawlers to make them bigger and better. So a lot still going on here at NASA. Even though the shuttle program's wound down, there's a lot of activity here, a lot of really smart people working here, something the country can be proud of. This is Jim, reporting for NASA Social at the Kennedy Space Center.